The 2025 Nissan Patrol Y63 and Infiniti QX80 aren't just SUVs, they're statements of intent. Two giants reborn for a new era, sharing the same DNA but carrying completely different personalities. On one side, the Infiniti QX80, a luxury flagship that glides through cityscapes like a corporate jet on wheels. On the other, the Nissan Patrol, a desert-bred warrior that refuses to surrender its off-road crown. Both are now powered by a revolutionary new Honda twin-turbo V6 that changes everything. The biggest news for longtime fans is the absence of the legendary 5.6-liter V8. For decades, that engine defined these machines, but times have changed. The V8 hasn't been lost. It has officially passed the torch to superior technology. The new VR3 5D DTT, a 3.5-liter twin-turbo V6, doesn't just replace it, it surpasses it in every measurable way. The Infiniti QX80 delivers a massive 450 horsepower, while the Patrol produces a robust 425 horsepower. Crucially, both share 516 pounds-ft of torque, delivering a punch that outclasses the old engine by a huge margin. The 9-speed automatic transmission keeps the power perfectly balanced across a wider gear range, making the drive smoother, quicker, and far more efficient. The result is instant torque, that addictive surge you feel right off the line. Put your foot down and the turbos spool up instantly, pushing this near 3-ton SUV forward with shocking urgency. Whether it's overtaking traffic, towing a trailer, or powering through dunes, the Patrol and QX80 move like heavyweights that forgot their size. The V6 isn't just powerful, it's responsive, refined, and perfectly tuned to deliver performance without sacrificing the inherent capability and character that defines the lineage. The story of these two brothers begins to diverge the moment you step inside. The Infiniti QX80 has evolved into a full-fledged luxury flagship, exuding sophistication and presence. Its massive, sculpted grille commands attention, while the flush door handles and continuous LED light bar at the rear give it a futuristic edge. Inside, its pure indulgence twin 14.3 displays stretch across the dashboard like a high-tech cockpit, surrounded by soft leather, polished metal, and an atmosphere that feels closer to a first-class cabin than an SUV interior. The Klipsch audio system, with 24 speakers, turns every drive into a private concert, while the massaging seats in both the first and second rows redefine comfort. Add customizable 64-color ambient lighting, and you have an interior that adjusts to your mood, from relaxed to ready to impress. Then there's the Nissan Patrol, the more rugged of the two, but no less commanding. Its design is muscular, squared off, and unapologetically bold. It looks like it was carved out of strength itself, wearing Nissan's V-Motion grille and distinctive double-seat LED headlights like badges of honor. The Patrol is built for adventure, not pretense. At over 5.3 meters long with up to 244 millimeters of ground clearance, it's ready for desert dunes, rocky trails, or just about anything nature can throw at it. Its adaptive air suspension adjusts through a range of 100 millimeters, allowing it to kneel for easier access or lift high for serious off-road work. Every Y63 worldwide comes with an Australian-made final drive differential housing and engineering nod to toughness and endurance. Inside the Patrol, the focus is on practicality blended with strength. The cabin feels spacious, with up to 8 seats available, meaning no one gets left behind when adventure calls. The quality has improved drastically to the large twin digital displays and available premium leather surfaces ensure it feels high-end without losing its utilitarian charm. The Patrol doesn't need to prove it's luxurious. It earns that respect through function and capability. Technology is another area where both models leap forward. Gone are the days when large SUVs felt outdated. Now, both come equipped with Google built-in, which means you have access to Google Maps, Assistant, and even apps from the Play Store right from your dashboard. It's fast, intuitive, and as smooth as using a smartphone. For the Infiniti QX80, there's also Propelot Assist 2.1, a semi-autonomous system that allows hands-free highway driving on compatible roads. It manages speed, steering, and distance, making long trips feel effortless. Both SUVs are packed with cutting-edge safety features, from predictive forward collision warning and automatic emergency braking to blind spot intervention. They don't just react, they anticipate danger. Beneath the luxury and tech, the foundation remains true to tradition. Both SUVs ride on a body-on-frame chassis, keeping them strong, capable, and durable. Nissan has stiffened the structure and refined the suspension setup, giving these giants a composure that's almost shocking for their size. The adaptive air suspension adjusts in real time, smoothing out rough roads and stabilizing the vehicle during heavy loads or towing. Whether cruising city boulevards or climbing rocky inclines, both the QX80 and Patrol feel remarkably balanced and confident. Choosing between them comes down to personality. The Infiniti QX80 is the ideal choice for those who crave sophistication and serenity. It's the kind of SUV that glides silently through the night, cocooning you in luxury while its tech quietly works behind the scenes. The Nissan Patrol, on the other hand, appeals to those who still believe driving should feel adventurous. It's rugged, capable, and unbreakably loyal, built for explorers, not commuters. Together, they redefine what a full-size SUV can be. Nissan and Infiniti have created two distinct experiences that share the same soul. The twin-turbo V6 proves that you don't need 8 cylinders to feel alive. You just need engineering excellence and a vision for the future. The Patrol and QX80 aren't just successors, they're milestones, showing that heritage and innovation can coexist beautifully. In a world where SUVs are often reduced to trends and badges, these two stand apart. They represent endurance, ambition, and evolution. You're not just buying an SUV, you're claiming a legacy fueled by twin-turbo fury that ensures the legend burns brighter than ever.